Hi everybody, Andrea Carvin here at Inner Sparks Rehab Gym and Spa. This month, September, is creating easy habit change at Inner Sparks, and I'm offering a 5-day challenge. And to that end, I'm focusing on exercises that you can do to create habits that relieve pain and stiffness. So we're going to be doing an upper body pain and stiffness relief exercise today. The benefits of this exercise that I picked to show you today is, one, it's easy. Two, it's very efficient. It gets your muscles going, your circulation, your joints, your ligaments, your breathing, your eyes, and your balance system all in one drill. And you can do it anywhere. I also love it because benefit number 3 is it enhances your energy. And 4, when you create a habit around this becomes an effective go-to relief drill. So let's try this exercise. And I'm doing it sitting because we sit so much in our culture. I think it's a good idea to develop sitting exercises just as much as we go out and do standing exercises. So here you are sitting on your couch, your chair at work. Clasp your hands and rest them on your lap. Now, what I'd like you to do is, through your nose, inhale and breathe your arms up. This should not create pain. If you are stiff, it's okay to push into stiffness, but do not go into any kind of sharp pain or something your body says, nope, don't go there. So we're going to breathe up and look towards your hands. And as you exhale, make the s sound between your teeth. Breathe up. And breathe up. Notice that I was tracking my hands on that last one on purpose so you would get the feel of doing an eye exercise of tracking at the same time. So how do you turn this exercise into a habit? You're stiff at the end of the day, you're sitting down, maybe you have animals around. When your animals stretch, you stretch. You're watching TV. When you have a commercial come on, do this drill. When you're reading a book at the end of a chapter. So you get to decide, but start to incorporate a drill into your day, especially when you're sitting, because the body is designed to move, all movement, all the time. And the more we honor that, the better we feel. If you like what you heard and you want to learn some more, like us on Facebook, and like us on YouTube, or subscribe to either one. I'd love to hear feedback, and I look forward to hearing if anybody really enjoys this exercise. Bye-bye, everybody. Until next time.